Auntie?
Where is Auntie? Landon, where is she?
Oh my God!
Dora.
Look how excited he was!
Is there more things in there?
What's on
look
that
at
one,
that.
Landon? Two Dora books?
Is Swiper on there? There he is.
She's like in heaven. Oh my God. Hey Landon, are you there? Auntie got you two Dora books.
Hold your book up and show Auntie. Take a picture.
Landon, can you say thank you, Auntie? Look in the camera and say thank you, Auntie.
And Skittles.
Say cheese. Hey, what else is in the bag? Can I see it? Is there more stuff in there? Crayons? Oh, there's more in there. You forgot. He was so excited about the book, he forgot. Dora movie. Oh, wow. It's all Dora.
You can't open it?
Landon, is the bag empty? Look at the bag, honey. Yep. Is there any more?
Whoa.
Say all
I think
done,
that's
mommy.
it.
Okay, let's come down here. You want to put some color down here?